Hi, so are you struggling with putting together a marketing campaign or development campaign that really moves the needle for your business or nonprofit? We've got a great service for you. So if you're experiencing things like not knowing what type of social media content to put out there, not knowing exactly how to target the audience and the people that you want to reach, and not knowing the platforms or the ways in which to reach them, then the Marketing Engine Lite is definitely for you.
Yeah, we created this process because we were coming in contact with a lot of entrepreneurs and teams that were just looking for something to be able to audit their process or do some of it themselves. And so we wanted to develop this Marketing Engine Lite program so that you could basically get the feedback that you need, get the customized plan, but do some of the legwork on your own. So our team is actually going to walk alongside of you as you fill out a survey that gives us all the information. We'll set up a call with you to really tailor a strategy that works for you. And you're gonna get access to things like a website audit, right? A keyword plan so that you can develop out content, an actual content calendar, because so many entrepreneurs and companies get overwhelmed, don't know how to target their content. So you're also gonna have the personas, right? So that you can know who you're targeting and when. So you're gonna have all of this in a nice package delivered to you by the end of this Marketing Engine Lite process.
And you'll also have access to an online group on LinkedIn so that you can still collaborate with people that are also engaging in the Marketing Lite.
And we're always there monitoring that. So if you have direct questions for us, please let us know in that platform and we're happy to connect with you and help answer any questions you and your team might have as you're moving through the process.